大家好，欢迎来到 Sin Learning Chinese。
You need Chinese for work? Let's learn 100 phrases fast. Today, we'll cover 100 must-know Chinese work phrases, perfect for HSK 324. First, greetings and intro. 欢迎加入我们公司 Welcome to our company. 我是新来的同事，很高兴认识你。I'm the new colleague. Nice to meet you. 请问你是哪位？ May I ask who you are? 我的名字是李明。My name is Li Ming. 这是我的名片。Here's my business card. 很高兴能和你一起工作。I'm happy to work with you. 你是哪个部门的？ Which department are you from? 我来自销售部。I'm from the sales department. 请多多指教。Please give me your guidance. 希望我们合作愉快。Hope we have a pleasant cooperation. 早上好，工作顺利。Good morning, have a smooth workday. 你今天看起来很精神。You look energetic today. 欢迎参加今天的会议。Welcome to today's meeting. 请问老板在吗？ Is the boss here? 我是新来的实习生。I am the new intern. 你在这家公司多久了？ How long have you been with this company? 我刚入职，请多关照。I just started, please take care of me. 你好，我是你的新助理。Hello, I'm your new assistant. 很荣幸能加入这个团队。It's an honor to join this team. 请问你是经理吗？ Are you the manager? Next, office tasks. 请帮我复印这份文件。Please help me photocopy this file. 这个报告明天要交 as report is due tomorrow. 请把资料整理好。Please organize the materials. 我需要打印这个表格。I need to print this form. 请检查一下这份合同。Please check this contract. 文件已经准备好了。The documents are ready. 请把这个交给老板。Please give this to the boss. 我明天会把文件给你。I'll give you the file tomorrow. 请问打印机在哪儿？ Where's the printer? 这份报告有错误。This report has errors. 我需要一份会议记录。I need the meeting minutes. 请帮我订会议室。Please book a meeting room. 这份文件需要签名。This document needs a signature. 麻烦你帮我扫描一下。Could you scan this for me? 请问复印机坏了吗？ Is the photocopier broken? 我找不到这份文件了。I can't find this file. 请帮我准备明天的数据。Please prepare tomorrow's data. 这个表格需要填写。This form needs to be filled out. 请把报告打印2份。Please print the copies of the report. 我把资料放在你桌上。I put the materials on your desk. Now, meetings and teamwork. 我们一起完成这个项目吧。Let's complete this project together. 会议10点开始，请准时到。The meeting starts at 10. Please be on time. 今天的议程是什么？ What's today's agenda? 请大家安静，会议开始了。Please be quiet. The meeting has started. 这个项目需要更多时间。This project needs more time. 我们需要讨论一下计划。We need to discuss the plan. 请分享你的意见。Please share your opinion. 我同意你的建议。I agree with your suggestion. 这个任务由谁负责？ Who's responsible for this task? 我们必须按时完成。We must finish on time. 请准备好你的报告。Please prepare your report. 会议记录谁来写？ Who will write the meeting minutes? 我们分成2个小组吧。Let's split into 2 groups. 这个计划需要调整。This plan needs adjustments. 请把进度告诉我。Please update me on the progress. 我们下周再开会吧。Let's meet again next week. 这个问题可以稍后讨论。We can discuss this issue later. 每个人都要参与。Everyone needs to participate. 请把资料发给大家。Please send the materials to everyone. 我们需要更多人手。We need more manpower. 这个想法很好。This idea is great. 请提前准备好 PPT. Please prepare the PPT in advance. 会议推迟到下午。The meeting is postponed to the afternoon. 我们需要加快进度。We need to speed up progress. 这个项目的重点是什么？ What's the focus of this project? 请不要迟到。Please don't be late. 我们可以换个时间开会。We can change the meeting time. 这个任务很紧急。This task is urgent. 请把结果告诉我。Please tell me the results. 这次会议很重要。This meeting is very important. Finally, work communication. 请发一封邮件给客户。Please send an email to the client. 这个问题需要马上解决。This issue needs to be solved immediately. 我明天会联系你。I'll contact you tomorrow. 请问客户什么时候方便？ When is the client available? 我需要和老板确认一下。I need to confirm with the boss. 请稍等，我去问一下。Please wait, I'll go ask. 这个计划已经批准了。This plan has been approved. 请回复这封邮件。Please reply to this email. 我会在周五前完成。I'll finish it before Friday. 请问有什么我可以帮忙的？ How can I assist you? 这个合同需要修改。This contract needs review. 请把报价发给我。Please send me the quotation. 我已经和客户谈过了。I've already spoken with the client. 请确认一下时间。Please confirm the time. 这个订单有问题。There's an issue with this order. 我需要更多信息。I need more information. 请尽快处理这件事。Please handle this matter as soon as possible. 我会在下班前回复你。I'll reply to you before the end of the day. 请问发票准备好了吗？ Is the invoice ready? 我们需要和供应商联系。We need to contact the supplier. 下次再见，好吗？ See you next time, okay? 谢谢你的帮助，下次见。Thanks for your help. See you next time. 工作顺利，再见。Have a smooth workday. Goodbye. 明天见，晚安。See you tomorrow. Good night. 周末愉快，下周见。Have a great weekend. See you next week. 回头见，注意休息。See you later. Take care. 合作愉快，再见。Pleasant cooperation. Goodbye. 拜拜，下次聊。Bye bye. Let's chat next time. 今天辛苦了，明天见。You worked hard today. See you tomorrow. 祝你成功，下次再见。Wish you success. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. You can also download free Chinese learning materials in the description below.